unboxing video of HOSA balanced interconnect 1x4" TRS to XLR 3M audio cable, and it is quite a long cable, and it is of high quality as well. It has got good connectors. Let's unbox it. There is a 1x4" connector, TRS connector on one side. The other side it is XLR male. There is a 3-pin. It's a very common connector for audio. This is unboxing of 3.5 mm TRS to Jewel 1x4 TS stereo breakout cable. It has got nickel plated plugs as well, and it is of high quality connectors as well. Thanks.